What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're doing something fun today. We're in the snow. We brought the R8. We got Bryson in his GTR and we got Ethan in his camera.
What's up?
And we got a lot of fun stuff coming for you guys today, so stay tuned. So that's how close his car was. The snow went in his exhaust tips. There you go. There you go. Woo! All right, so here's why we stopped, so Ethan can climb up a snowbank and get shots of this right here. This is what we're working with. Not a bad lineup if I do say so myself. Okay, it's recording. Let's just see what we get, but I'll try to like...
It's all down my shoes.
Alright, so there we were having a good old time, be quiet car, and we were about to get a pretty dope set of pictures that we had just like dialed in, right? This guy comes up in a truck and he's like, hey, you guys gotta get out of here. And we're like, okay, no problem. He's like, this is private property. And we're like, okay, no problem. Do you mind if we just snap a few shots? And he looks over at Bryson, because Bryson was the one talking directly to him, and he goes, don't spin donuts in my parking lot or you'll get a bullet in your head. I was like, what the fuck? Hold on one second. Whoops. Do you want to just keep going up?
If we take a right over at this back road, I'm pretty sure there's a cool spot for pictures. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Want to do that? I'll try really fast.
Yeah, but if you swing it, you'll get a bullet in your head. What the fuck, dude?
He was lying.
Anyways, lying or not, that's like a pretty fucking bold thing to say. Like, you could just be like very like simple and like, hey man, this is private property. There really weren't any signs that said private property. It was just like an open parking lot. So we're like, cool, we'll just whip a donut or two. Like, just be cool, man. Like, just be cool.